Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start now. Check that your F and D speakers are powered and set to the correct input. This matters because active speakers handle amplification internally. Locate the PC output. Most use a 3.5 jack. Some desktop motherboards or laptops may have optical or USB options. Once done, select the matching cable. 3.5 to RCA for analog, optical for digital, or USB if supported. Make sure the speaker power is off while you connect. This prevents pops. Now connect the cables. Insert the 3.5 plug into the PC headphone or line out port, or attach RCA plugs to the speaker's L and R jacks. Match colors to avoid channel swap. Next, plug in the speaker's power adapter and switch the speakers on, then select the input mode on the speaker if it has one. On your PC, open Sound Settings and pick the new playback device. Doing this aligns signal path and ensures you hear left and right channels correctly. Finish by setting levels. Raise the PC volume to around 50% and adjust speaker volume to a safe listening level, then play a test track to verify stereo balance. If you get no sound, make sure the playback device selected in Sound Settings matches your connection, receipt cables, and update audio drivers. These steps fix most issues. If you hear hum, try a different power outlet or a ground loop isolator, and route audio cables away from power cords to reduce interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.